Struggling with late payment woes that are assaulting your credit score? Consider credit counseling. It's your handy weapon for combating debt and reviving your credit health. Wondering how it works? Credit counseling offers a tailored financial compass guiding you to healthier monetary habits. A certified counselor will have a heart-to-heart review of your financial scenario, including your earnings, expenses, and debts. This in-depth diagnosis allows them to unearth the real reasons for your late payments and deliver a strategic plan to overcome them. One of the golden benefits of credit counseling is a bespoke budget made just for you. By steering your money management, credit counseling makes sure you're right on time with your financial duties. Plus, credit counselors are master negotiators. They can parlay with your creditors to reschedule a payment plan that works for you, even scraping off late fees or toning down interest rates. But that's not all. Credit counseling boosts your financial knowledge base and skills, arming you to sidestep future late payments and keep up a healthy credit corner. It's a well-planned move that blunts your immediate problems and fosters long-term financial stamina. So, if late payments are making you sweat, ring in credit counseling as your robust rescue. Contact a trusted credit counseling agency today and start the journey towards healthier finances and a brighter financial future. Protect and strengthen your credit health. It's the best investment you can make for your future.